In the previous class, I was talking to you about bills of exchange and we stopped with the calculation of due date. I told you how to calculate due date, right? How to calculate due date. So, we'll do two problems, okay? And then we'll move on to the journal entry part. Just make a note, okay? Write down this types of bill. Types of bill, we have two types, okay? After date bill and after site bill. After date bill and after site bill. Okay. After date bill, below that you'll write, for this, due date is calculated from the date on which bill is drawn. Okay. After date bill. After date means the due date is calculated from the date on which bill is drawn. Then after site bill means due date is calculated. Due date is calculated from the date on which bill is accepted. Remember, no? Okay. Make this note, then we'll do two problems. Completed? Alan Shibu, back home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, who called me in between? Nobody? Okay. Completed taking down this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Please take it down. Completed? Yes. Alan, finish, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, take down this question. Mr. Sohan, Mr. Sohan draws a bill, draws a bill on Mr. Mohan, Mr. Mohan on 1st February, 1st February, after date, after date for 3 months, for 3 months. Find out the due date. This is the question. Due date. Find out due date. Yes, do it. So, read the question and see whether it is after date or after sight. Here you can see the word after date. After date means you should consider this date. Okay? The date on which bill is drawn. So, ready to solve? All took down the question? Okay. So, what was that formula we have written? Due date is equal to so here, which date is given to you? Date of bill is given. Date of bill. That is the date on which bill is drawn. Date of bill plus period of bill, period of bill plus 3 days grace. 3 days grace. So, what is the date of bill? 1st Feb. Then, what is the period of bill? Plus 3 months. So calculate how much is that? After 3 months, what is the date? After 3 months. After 3 months, what is the date that comes? What is that date?
May
Yes, May
1.
May 1. So you get May 1. Then what you do? Plus 3 days. Grace. Grace period is always 3 days. Okay? You cannot give more than 3. So what is the date then? Due date is equal to due date is what is the due date after 3 days? Hey, try.
4 May.
Sorry?
4th May.
May 4th. Yeah, correct. Okay, May 4th is the date. So this is how we find out due date. Okay. So I'll show you the next kind of question. Mr. R, Mr. R draws a bill, draws a bill on Mr. Shyam on 1st Jan, 1st January 2018. Okay. On 1st Jan 2018, after sight for 3 months. Okay. Which is accepted on 5th January 5th Jan 2018. Okay, so what is the due date? Find out due date. Find due date. Okay, so see the difference? Mr. R draws a bill on Mr. Shyam on 1st Jan. Okay, so the date of bill is 1st January, and you can see the word after sight. Okay, after sight means for the calculation of due date, you should consider the date of acceptance. Okay? In the question, I repeat, listen to me. In the question, when you find after date, okay, after date, then you will consider the date of bill to find the due date. Okay. At the same time, if you find the word after sight, that's why I made you write this in the previous class. After sight in the question, then for the calculation of due date, you should consider date of acceptance. Am I clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, due date is equal to date of acceptance. Date of acceptance plus period of the bill. Period of the bill means the time period given to you, given to the drawee to make the payment. Period of bill 3 days plus 3 days. Okay, so what is the date of acceptance? It is 5th January. 5th Jan 2018 plus how much is the period of bill? 3 months. 3 months. So what is the date that you get? 5th January. So it becomes after 3 months, what is the date?
April
April
5.
April 5th. Then April 5th plus 3 days. Don't forget to add grace period, 3 days. So the date becomes April 8th. So the due date is April 8th. Okay, clear? Yes. So I'll give you one question. Okay. Okay, Mr. A draws a bill on Mr. B on March 26th, March 26th, 2021. Okay. After date, or let it be 3 months itself, for 3 months. Okay, find out the due date and tell me. Completed? Due date is over? Krishna, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the date?
29th of June.
Correct. June 29th. Did everyone get the answer? Okay, Rahul, completed? Okay, June 29th only? Correct only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranav, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is after date. So we'll take the date of bill itself, that is March 26 plus 3 months plus 3 months. Then it becomes June 26 plus 3, that will give you 29th of June. Okay? Anish, clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So moving to the next one. Okay, one more. Mr. P draws a bill on Mr. Q on June 12th. June 12th. Okay, June 12th. After sight. Wait. No need. After date. Okay. After date for 2 months. Find the due date. Completed? Keep the video on. Aman. Keep it on. Krishna. Anish, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the due date?
15th August.
Is it 15th August?
Ma'am, I'm in grace period.
Pranav, what is your answer?
August 14.
Why August 14?
15th is a holiday.
Right. 15th is a public holiday. 15th is a public holiday. On account of what? Pranav, you also 15th August? Yeah? Okay. What is the specialty of August 15?
Independence Day.
Independence Day. Okay, so it is a holiday. So if it is a public holiday, then the due date you will have to take it on the preceding day. Clear? Preceding day. So dates are very important, and before the exam you should study the calendar also. Okay, when you get the public holidays, you should know that. Okay, so shall we do one more? Clear now? Please correct it. Those who have gone wrong, please correct it. So, date of bill, date of bill is equal to, what is the date? June 12, June 12, period plus period of bill plus 2 months, plus 2 months. So, you get it as August 12 plus 3 days grace. Then it becomes August 15, but August 15 is a public holiday. It is a holiday. So due date is the preceding day. Answer is August 14. This holiday on account of Independence Day. Okay? Okay. So let's do one more. Is it interesting? Yes. Okay. Okay. Mr. Anish draws a bill on Mr. Allen on June 20th. June 20th. Okay. After sight. After sight for 6 months. Okay. 6 months. Which is accepted on June 22nd. June 22nd. Okay. Find the due date. Okay. So read the question carefully. What are the informations given to you? It is after sight. After sight means, which is the date that you consider? It is date of acceptance. Date of bill is June 20, but it is accepted on June 22nd. Yes. Completed? Yes, Mr. Alan, tell me the due date.
Ma'am, it's January 22nd.
January. Anish, Alan is going to pay you only in January, okay?
I need on December.
When do you need the money? Anish,
December 24th.
December 24th. Yes, Alan, you cannot postpone it to Jan.
Okay, ma'am.
Anish, tell him the explanation. How did you calculate the date?
From date of acceptance,
Ah,
June 22nd, and period of bill 6 months,
ah,
December 22nd, and 3 grace. So it will be December 25, but December 25 is holiday.
ah,
Preceding day is 24th.
ah. Alan, you heard, no?
Yes, ma'am.
June 22nd, after 6 months, the date falls on December 22nd, plus 3 days. It's Christmas. So, the date is December 25th. December 25th is a holiday. So, the date, your due date is December 24th. December 24th. Yeah. Okay. So, okay with due date calculation? Any doubts? So, the next question. I'll give you directly. Date of bill. Date of bill is Jan 31. Okay, Jan 31, 2021. Period of bill 25 days. Okay, fine. Clear now? Date of bill is Jan 31st and calculate the due date. Period of bill 25 days. Those who have completed, give the answer in the chat box. Yes, Anish, right. Correct, Rahul. Yes, Pranav. Krishna, 25 days are troubling you? Yes, right, Krishna. Aparna, right answer. Akshay, Pavitra, where are your answers? Yes, Akshay, right. Pavitra, right answer. So everybody gave me the answer. Pavitra, Akshay, Aparna, Manish. Yeah. Okay. So the answer is February 28th. Okay. So that's it regarding the calculation of due date. Now, next, we need to see the journal entry part. Okay.